Welcome to the musical world of Higher Notes Incorporated. Higher Notes specializes in soundtrack production for nearly all live performance applications. The following excerpts are from projects produced by Higher Notes for cruise ships and showrooms around the world. Now, sit back and enjoy the sounds of Higher Notes Incorporated.
1, 2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, rock. 5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, rock. 9, 10, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, rock. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. Put your glad rags on and join me, hun. We're gonna have some fun when the clock strikes 1. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, rock, rock till the broad daylight. Gonna rock around the clock tonight. When the clock strikes 2, 3, and 4, if the band slows down, we'll ask for more. Gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, rock, rock till the broad daylight. Gonna rock around the clock tonight. All right.
When the chimes ring 5, 6, and 7, we'll be right in 7th heaven and rock. Oh, yeah.
Once in the Highlands of Scotland, deep in the night on a murky brae. There in the Highlands of Scotland, 2 weary hunters lost their way.
And this is what happened, the strange thing that happened.
To 2 weary hunters who lost their way. Looming under sable skies. Brigadoon, Brigadoon, there my heart forever lies. Let the world grow cold around.
God, I'm a dancer dances. Give me somebody to dance for. Give me somebody to show. Let me wake up in the morning to find I have somewhere exciting to go. Play me the music, give me the chance to come through. All I ever need is
see 'em dancing, walking around on those, what do you call 'em? Oh, feet. Flipping your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling around down a, what's that word again? Street. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun. Wandering free, wish I could be part of that world. What would I give if I could live out of these waters? What would I pay to spend a day warm on the sand? Betcha on land, they understand that they don't reprimand their daughters, bright young women, sick of swimming, ready to stand.